Okay, so Kami, here we go. All right, you go to kamiapp.com and create your account. And I already have one, so it's just taking me right there. So now I'm going to open from Google Drive. And here we go. Okay, and I'm just going to choose a document that we use. Let's see, let's go in current students because sometimes I keep stuff here. All right, and let's see. I should just pick something at random here. Rule of 180, why not, right? It opens up. This is all just working in Kami here, and then, oh, this is annotated, whoops. So if I want to write on it, I just come over here to the drawing tool, and woohoo, and then I can type, and I can draw shapes. This is the only way I can draw a triangle. Oops, there we go, maybe. What else? Let's see, erase and markup, which, whoop, we'll just do that, and various other things. There are also equation tools that I don't have because we don't pay for them, but it might be worth it for a math teacher to pay for them. Just saying. Okay, when you're all finished, it just, excuse me, it just saves right to your Google Drive, right where you had it from. You can also open documents from your drive. And let's just open up a PSAT thing here. Oh, again, annotated. Anyway. All right, so here's my PSAT. To get it into Kami, all I'm going to do is go to where it says open with here. Once you've run Kami, usually this comes up automatically. If it doesn't, I can probably help you out with that. I just click annotate with Kami, and there it goes again. Now, the good thing about this is that your students can write on the same document if you want them to, because all you would need to do is click this little guy here, the share document, and then wait for it to, if it's a big document, it's going to take a while to go through, copy, and then just share the link, and then when other students are working, their work will reflect on the same page. There's a little bit of a delay, be aware of that. There's also a delay, like if students mark up their homework and turn it in like that, when you open it at first, the answers might not be there. It takes a second for them to pop up. That was always an issue when I was at Lehman. And then from there, the way that you would go about making sure that this got turned in the right way, you're going to download it to your Google Drive, and with annotations. That's really important. Otherwise, the annotations don't go with it. So if it's student work, you don't want them to lose it. And then they should rename it. And it ends up, you can choose where it goes, but even if you don't save it, it ends up in a folder on your Google Drive called Kami Exports or something. It's hard to find stuff in there, so you definitely want to name it, and you definitely want to file it in the right folder. And so should your students. Works well with Google Classroom, last I knew. I mean, I haven't taught in a year and a few months, but I use Kami every single day when I'm tutoring, and it's a wonderful tool. It's free unless you need to have the upgrades, and again, you might want to do that if you're teaching math. So that's all. Hope this helps. I miss you, my friend. I do, terribly. My heart breaks for your situation right now because you're doing too much. It's like a game of don't tip the waiter, and I lived it, and I can't even listen to Kaylee talking about it because it makes me cry. So you'll get through it. You'll be okay. You'll be awesome.